Yo, outside where the bugs live.
Well,
They are with me general, blood clot. You know how much man used to afraid of this man when we are grow up. No joke, me I tell you. Yeah, dog. Serious, you know? Outside.
Is this Ken?
Yeah, your blood clot. Yeah. I mean, they close them down, John. Ken. Yeah, the phone, it close them down, wash and dry.
Blood clot. I was a soldier too, you know. What the fuck I do? Hey, that claw you get fuck, you know. It's a nice one, man. Go cooking Ross. Lego tree now. Boy, Danny British, you know. Yeah. Just want to tell someone now. Loving yourself, appreciating yourself, and valuing yourself, and investing on yourself. All that energy when you put in other people, all that energy when you put in things, put it in yourself. You have to sit down and value yourself and know what worth it and what not worth it. You see me? Get me? As me get older, life preservation become a priority. You get me? As me touch, me at 32 in this year. You get me? Life preservation become more important. You know how much people dead for me in the past 3-4 months. From family to friend to friends to friends and family. Crazy. And just make you open your eyes and realize that the most important thing in this world is life. Because without life you really have nothing, not even an existence.
Come here. How old is you? What's your name, little nigga? Alright. You ain't got no weed? Alright. Sit over there. I told you to bring that ape so you can go upstairs.
Yeah, Dad.
Say a fucking word. No. Nobody's gonna help you. Shut the fuck up. You're gonna have to deal with this. So you was real funny, huh? You was real funny. Tell me about this.
The father I don't know.
Well, hey, you're in luck. Because I just happen to be a scarer. I learned everything I know from my school, Monsters University. It's the best scaring school there is. You wish. VTech's the best.
Yeah. Say hi. Mommy a beat with her ear, bro. Show her ear long. Yeah, show her ear long. Yeah, they watch Monsters Inc. Rawr. Dinosaur. Yeah.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Some belly I get big, ain't that a shame? Daddy belly I get big, bro. Daddy I become fat at 31. Can't believe this shit.